Please download the latest LixelGO app from XGRIDS.com. Register and log in. Turn on your mobile hotspot and open the LixelGO app. Add a new device. Search for Bluetooth. Select your device and complete the pairing. Enter your hotspot name and password. Click Configure and connect the device. A successful activation will turn the indicator green. Or you can connect the device to your phone with a USB cable instead of Bluetooth connection. Tap plus in the upper right corner and choose USB connection. When prompted, select File Transfer Mode on your phone. Enable USB tethering in the phone settings and click Verify in the app to complete the connection. Click Go. Select a scan mode in the app, press the red Start button, and the indicator will blink green as the LiDAR begins rotating. The device will initialize for 15 seconds. Once complete, gently lift the device to start scanning. To stop scanning, tap the End Recording button in the app or double-press the Power button on the device. The indicator will blink green while saving data, then return to solid green, indicating a successful scan.